November is Financial Literacy Month, a perfect time to brush up on your insurance literacy. Many Canadians need help understanding key insurance concepts outside of car and home insurance. Let's start demystifying insurance together. Insurance provides financial security when the unexpected strikes. The benefits can replace income if you become disabled, cover nursing and hospital expenses, provide an income stream for your dependents if you pass away, and pass wealth to your heirs tax efficiently. Without adequate insurance, a single event can jeopardize everything you've worked towards. Life insurance provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your death. The amount of coverage you need depends on income replacement, debts, final expenses, education funding, and estate planning. Work with qualified independent advisors to analyze your assets, debts, income sources, tax situation, and obligations to determine suitable life insurance coverage. Disability insurance provides income replacement if you're unable to work due to illness or injury. There are two main types: short-term disability insurance and long-term disability insurance. Financial advisors generally recommend having enough coverage to replace 60 to 70% of your current income before tax if your disability benefits are tax-free. Critical illness insurance provides a tax-free lump sum cash payment if you are diagnosed with a qualifying condition. You can use the cash to cover loss of income during treatment and recovery, travel costs to access specialized treatment, home health care expenses, childcare costs, and experimental therapies not covered by government or group health plans. Long-term care insurance helps fund daily living assistance if chronic conditions leave you unable to care for yourself. This includes in-home health aides or nursing home care. The costs add up quickly for home care services or residents in a long-term care home. The right insurance coverage is highly personalized for your financial situation, assets, obligations, and estate planning objectives. Consider factors like affordability, health, age, family, investment real estate, business interests, tax efficiency, and inflation. Financial Literacy Month is the perfect time to schedule an insurance review. Prioritizing proper insurance coverage can give you confidence and peace of mind. You can face life's uncertainties knowing your family and finances have an extra layer of protection. Here's to your financial resilience and your family's continued prosperity. Get help at Taxevity Insurance for your needs, wants, and philanthropy.